Gallon-size slider bags. This pack includes 66 gallon-size Hefty Slider Storage Bags. Clicks closed so you know it's closed. Patented MaxLock Track ensures your food is being kept fresh. Just listen for the click of the extra strong seal on these gallon bags. Super easy to use. Our unique design makes it easy to open close these BPA-free food storage bags with one simple sliding motion. Expandable stand fill bottom. Hefty gallon storage bags are expandable. Stand them up on your counter, table or refrigerator shelf to simplify filling storing. Get a better bang for your buck toughness you can trust with these gallon-size Hefty Slider Storage Bags. The patented MaxLock Track clicks closed features let you know when these BPA-free slider bags are securely closed. The stand and fill expandable bottom makes it easy to load food, craft supplies or other household items into these plastic storage bags. Large write-on labels let you organize the contents of each of these gallon-size slider bags in your fridge, freezer or closet. Take these gallon bags on the go. Keep clothes fresh wrinkle-free in suitcases or keep camping supplies protected from mess. Hefty's premium quality super strength come with superior savings of 100. Top reviews from the United States. Great item and sale price was hard to pass up. Great product, works well and we also use it to freeze certain items. Just go easy on the ceiling slider as others have complained they don't work too well. We haven't had an issue at all.